The Talk to Pakistan lobby is now assembling in Jammu and Kashmir, and this time it's the chief of the Jammu and Kashmir Congress Party. This man goes on to say that India and Pakistan should sort it out. They must sit across the table. They must talk. Can you believe it? At a time when the country is boiling with rage, at a time when the Prime Minister has vowed justice for the victims of Pahalgam, at a time when the Prime Minister says, mitti mein mila denge, there are leaders of the Congress Party who are saying, let's sit across the table, let's talk to Pakistan. What is there to talk? There is evidence that Pakistan is behind the Pahalgam attack in which 26 innocents were butchered by Pakistan-backed terrorists. The NIA probe is only intensifying, and now there are leaders of the INDIA. There is the Jammu and Kashmir Congress chief who's calling for dialogue, who's saying sit across the table and sort it out and talk.
हमारे सैलानी हमारी इकॉनमी हमारे सैलानियों के ऊपर दारोमदार है। जिन लोगों की वजह से जो नंबर ऑफ डेथ्स है वो बहुत कम रहा, बहुत लो रहा। अगर ये लोग ना होते तो शायद कितनी बड़ी विपदा होती। हम अगर एक साइड से इन लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं कि इन्होंने उस वक्त सैलानियों को मदद करके, आई रिक्वेस्ट बोथ साइड्स टू कीप देयर कूल विद फोल्डेड हैंड्स। आई रिक्वेस्ट बोथ साइड्स, and when I say I represent these sentiments of hundreds and thousands of people, that they should keep their cool and something should be sorted. Whatever has to be done across the table. They should sort it out. Both the countries should not be pushed to devastation anymore.
Who are these hundreds and thousands the Congress leader is talking about? Tariq Kara, who is the president of the JKPCC, is now going on to say that both countries should sit across the table and talk. We stopped talking to Pakistan. It's been a while now, Mr. Kara. And now at a time when Pahalgam has happened, when 26 innocent lives were snuffed out in the valley, in the Baisaran Valley, they were tourists. Despite that, when there is anger across the world against Pakistan-backed terror, when Pakistan is running helter-skelter for cover, it's begging to China to intervene. At a time when there is evidence about Pakistan's role in the Pahalgam terror attack, politicians are asking for talks. Tejshri, you're tracking more voices coming in from there. There is an assembly session that's going to be held to discuss what happened in Pahalgam. Take us through the latest political reactions, especially after the shocker that's coming in from another Congress leader.
Well, that is very serious statement, surprising statement that's coming in from the Congress leader, Tariq Kara, and in fact we'll also speak to him. He's going to arrive over here in Jammu and Kashmir Assembly in a short while from now. But the kind of words that in fact he has spoken, Congress party should come out and give a clarification so as to, is Congress party doing the same line so as to what he has said, or in fact that is his personal statement that he has said, because at a time when the entire country, every Indian is mourning and in fact is asking for justice and is in fact asking India to give a befitting reply to Pakistan in his own language, in his own words, at such point of time, there comes Congress leader Tariq Kara, who is giving such kind of statement. And in fact, we also spoke to some other leaders as well. There are other leaders as well who are in fact also towing the same lines as to what he has said. They are saying that, talks should be held with Pakistan, because on and on we have been seeing that the people of Jammu Kashmir are losing their lives amidst this.
Once again, let's make our viewers listen in to what the leader of the Congress party in Jammu and Kashmir has said. This also comes on a day when Robert Vadra is trying to give an explanation, is trying to backtrack. This also comes a day after the Karnataka Chief Minister did a flip-flop over his no-war stance. And now there is the leader of the Congress party in Jammu and Kashmir, the chief of the Congress in Jammu and Kashmir, who is saying, let's talk to Pakistan. Listen in.
हमारे सैलानी हमारी इकॉनमी हमारे सैलानियों के ऊपर दारोमदार है। जिन लोगों की वजह से जो नंबर ऑफ डेथ्स है वो बहुत कम रहा, बहुत लो रहा। अगर ये लोग ना होते तो शायद कितनी बड़ी विपदा होती। हम अगर एक साइड से इन लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं कि इन्होंने उस वक्त सैलानियों को मदद करके, आई रिक्वेस्ट बोथ साइड्स टू कीप देयर कूल विद फोल्डेड हैंड्स। आई रिक्वेस्ट बोथ साइड्स, and when I say I represent these sentiments of hundreds and thousands of people that they should keep their cool and something should be sorted. Whatever has to be done across the table. They should sort it out. Both the countries should not be pushed to devastation anymore.
Yavar is joining us. Yavar is tracking these details. Yavar, this is not the first time that politicians in Jammu and Kashmir have asked for talks, but at a time like this, when there is national outrage over the Pahalgam massacre, when there is global fury against Pakistan-sponsored terrorism, when the entire country is demanding retribution, when the Congress leader there in Jammu and Kashmir says that let's sort it out, let's sit across the table, and he says, it's not just me, there are many people who feel this way. Who is he indicating? Who is he talking about?
Well, exactly, this is a fresh statement from the J&K Congress chief that has struck controversy in the Kashmir Valley. In fact, he went on saying that there should be the talks that should be done and it should be leveled on the tables as well. Pertinent to mention it is that there has been many of the instances when these sort of statements have been witnessed in the Kashmir Valley. So this time, this shocker came in from the top Congress Neta in the Jammu Assembly, just outside the Assembly. So we have been given the understanding that after that, the BJP has came down heavily on these things. So this is the thing that has been taken into the considerations all across, because listen to the words that the Tariq has said. He said that he is representing hundreds and thousands of the sentiments across the Kashmir, that they are referring to both the countries that they should keep their cool and sit on a table to sort out the matter and not to push further both countries to the devastation. So these were the statements that came in from his side. In fact, one more leader from the AIP has went on saying that yes, the talks with the Pakistan should be held because whatever we have been witnessing past month in the assembly, that most of the time, most of the things were focused on the Pakistan talks, be it the National Conference leader who went on saying that if we can talk with the China, why can't the tables be floated for the Pakistan talks as well. Now this time this has sent a shockwave among the opposition parties in the Kashmir Valley, so as in the Jammu, who went on saying that this is the stance that these people have been witnessing all across, and alleging that these statements will not be tolerated at any cost. Back to you.
All right. So as you track the details there,